Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel in the rain. We got an OC&T Alco 75. Let's check it out. To be specific, it's an Alco 75 tanker train coming. It is. Let's check it out. Yeah, we got a white tanker over there beside the power, yeah. Zooming in here just a bit so we can, here we go. Yeah, it's all black tankers in this one. We just got this white tanker, part of that freight and passenger combination. There's the end. Yep, there's the end. Let's wait till the tankers, go past here. Yep. Getting the axle, or no. Changes right now. Alright, we're gonna get off here. We'll get back on with the next train. Hopefully we'll see that white tanker go by inside of that tanker yard. So we'll find out here after we get off and get back on with the next train. Talk to you later.